Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. A few weeks ago, nag-upload ako ng video on how to download League of Legends Wild Rift on your Huawei phone. Pero unfortunately, after the 4.1 patch update ni Wild Rift, hindi na ba download or update yung game sa Galaxy Store. Pero don't worry kasi as always, gumawa ako ng updated tutorial on how you can install League of Legends Wild Rift on your Huawei phone in just 5 minutes. Before tayo magsimula, I have a few reminders. This tutorial is 100% working upon the shooting and uploading of this video. Pero dahil alam naman natin na workaround lang lahat ng mga methods na to, dahil sa ongoing ban sa mga Huawei phones, this is not a permanent fix. Pwedeng hindi na siya mag-work in a couple of months or even weeks. It will all depend kung may update ba sa software, sa version or policy ni Gbox, which is yung app na gagamitin natin sa video na to, or may new changes o restrictions sa next patch update ni Wild Rift. So if you are watching this video and you love playing Wild Rift, then go hit subscribe and hit the notification bell kasi mag-upload ako ng mga updated methods regularly. Okay, with that being said, start na tayo. Yung una and yung pinaka-importante na step sa tutorial na to is to download a specific version of Gbox. Hindi ako sure kung gagana yung earlier versions ni Gbox. Pero sa video na to, we are going to use version 1.3.29. I-click nyo na lang yung link na ilalagay ko sa description box. Pag-click dyan, magsisimula na siya mag-download. Next, click nyo yung 4 dots na to sa upper right, then go to downloads. Hanapin nyo lang yung Gbox, then click install. After yung security check, sa bottom, click install, then open. Next, mapupunta kayo sa page na to. Pagkatapos basahin yung user agreement and privacy policy, click on agree. Next, may magpa-pop up na box sa bottom asking you if you want to update sa latest version. Do not and never click update. Each time na i-open mo yung Gbox, this message will pop up asking you to update. Lagi nyo lang i-click yung later. Next, click allow for battery optimizations. Next pop-up is about region change. Click confirm. As a bonus, kung makikita nyo, meron pang Play Store icon yung version na to. Yung mga latest version kasi, wala na. So, just for safety, long press natin siya, then click create shortcut. Then sa bottom, click add para magkaroon ka ng icon ng Play Store sa home screen mo. Click natin ngayon yung icon ng Play Store. May pop-up message sa bottom. Click nyo lang allow 4 times. Next, mapupunta ka sa page na to. Click sign in, then input your email together with your password. Sa next page, click I agree. Dito sa home screen, we will see na nandito na yung icon ng Play Store na ginawa natin kanina. Click natin yan and let us type Wild Rift sa search box. Click install, then wait natin matapos yung download. Pagtapos na siya, click play. Pag open ng app, you need to download additional files of about 1.7 GB. After that, sa bottom right ng screen, click next. Sa next page, click nyo lang yung Google icon to log in your account. And now you will see na we have successfully logged on sa Wild Rift using our Google account. So that's the end of our video and I hope nakatulong sa inyo. If you have questions and suggestions for our next video, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply. Thumbs is a plus, subs is a must. I'm the Unboxing Tito and I will see you next time.